So it actually looks pretty good. The fire stays in place and everything pretty much looks great. But there is one thing that looks kind of out of place, and that is that the fire stays saturated even when the footage desaturates at the end. I actually think it looks kind of cool, like as a contrast, the fire stays saturated and the footage desaturates. And I think I'm just gonna keep that. But if you do want to add the same effects as you have on the footage onto the fire, there is a very simple way you can do that. So to do it, you want to go down to your timeline and select the footage with the effects on it. Then you want to hit Command C to copy the effects. Select the clip that you want to add the effects onto. Hit Command Alt or Command Option V to paste the effects. I'm not going to paste the effects since I really like the contrast of having non-saturated footage and a saturated fire. So I've now just imported one last clip, and what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to minimize it so it's just a small thumbnail, and that small thumbnail is actually going to slide in from the bottom left corner, then it's going to stay in the bottom left corner for a few seconds, and at the end it's going to slide out towards the right corner. So to do that, I'm going to bring the clip on top, and I'm going to go to the starting point and hit the transform button. Now I'm going to minimize the clip to the size that I want. I believe this is a good size. And then I actually don't like the widescreen effect with the bar on the top and the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the crop tool and I'm going to crop those away. And now I actually think it's too small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the transform tool and increase the size. So now for the keyframing. First off, I want to make sure that my playhead is at the complete beginning, which it is. And then I'm going to drag my clip out of the frame right about here and create a keyframe. Then I'm going to place my playhead about this far into the footage and I'm going to drag it in.